Hazrat Marwan reports that Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha and Hazrat Salama radiyallahu anha said, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam would rise in the morning while he was in the state which necessitates bath for practicing coitus with any of his wives, and then observe fast after taking a bath. Marwan said to Abdul Rahman bin Haris, I ask you, placing you under an oath, to state this hadith openly to Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu. Marwan was the governor of Medina Munawwara then. Abu Bakr narrates that Hazrat Abdul Rahman disliked it. Then by chance we stayed together at Zulhulayfa, and Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu had a land there. Then Hazrat Abdul Rahman said to Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu, I am going to tell you something. Had Marwan not placed me under an oath, I would not have told you. Then he stated the narrations of Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha and Hazrat Salama radiyallahu anha, and said, Hazrat Fazl bin Abbas radiyallahu anhu, who was extremely learned, narrated the hadith in the similar way, and Hammam. Hazrat Ibn Umar radiyallahu anhu reported from Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu. Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam would pass orders to leave the fast, but the first hadith is more reliable. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 1926.